still tight. When you notice it's ready to burst inside, when it feels like it's coming undone.